Hey everyone, Giller at Grayman Prepping. On this episode of Your Prep for Today, I want to talk to you about tarps. Now I know I've mentioned it before, but it's probably a good idea to have extra tarps around. Those tarps you've been using over the winter time may need to be replaced. Or some of the tarps you may have had out since last summer and they're definitely going to need to be replaced. So get yourself some tarps, check around, do shopping, get them for the best price possible. You don't necessarily need to get really cheap ones because those only last maybe a year. You're going to want to get ones that'll last a couple of years and get your money's worth out of them. But you need tarps for a lot of different things. And one of the neat things is there's online you can get these a PDF downloaded that shows you different things you can do with tarps by folding them, making like shelters and other things out of them as well. So they also work great for weed blocker temporarily. You lay it out and it kills all the weeds and stuff, and then you can get your garden going. But that's a little late now. Should have talked about this one about a month or two ago. But there's a lot of uses for tarps, and you really ought to consider having extras around as well. So stay happy no matter what life throws at you. Stay safe. Don't go out and do anything foolish. Keep adding to your preps: water, food, medicine, clothing, and of course tarps. Add a new skill to your repertoire and plant an indoor garden. Because the crap they're putting in food these days, even the fresh food that they're spraying it with before it gets to the grocery store, you don't want to be eating. You want to grow your own food.